Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty on all 7 counts Thursday after a massive fraud and money laundering trial involving now-collapsed crypto exchange FTX and trading firm Alameda Research, charges that can lead to a maximum of 110 years in prison. And lawyers told Forbes he may face a decades-long sentence, unlike other white-collar defendants. If Judge Kaplan wants to, he can sentence SBF essentially to death by incarceration, Epner said. Federal judges have broad discretion to sentence people convicted of crimes, often using a set of non-binding legal guidelines. The decision is largely based on the individual's personal and criminal history and the nature of the crime, Carter told Forbes, and in Bankman-Fried's case, the nature of these crimes is pretty severe. Bankman-Fried testified during the trial, a move Epner thinks could hurt him during sentencing, as federal prosecutors accused him of lying about big things and small things, and pointed out that he said he couldn't recall over 140 times. When some people said SBF had nothing to lose by taking the stand because the trial was going badly for him, they ignored the fact that trial perjury would hurt SBF, potentially, in guiding the judge on how to exercise his discretion, Epner told Forbes. Deterring future crimes is another factor in sentencing, Carter told Forbes. If we don't see a significant or meaningful sentence, then I think the deterrence effect is much less, and when we're talking about what happened here, we need deterrence, Carter added. Bankman-Fried, 31, was charged in late 2022 with money laundering, wire fraud, securities fraud and other counts alleging he used customer money from failed crypto exchange FTX to prop up his other firm, Alameda Research. He pleaded not guilty to the charges, which marked a stunning fall from grace for a one-time billionaire who ran one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. A jury reached a verdict after less than 5 hours of deliberation following his 5-week trial. In a closing statement, prosecutor Nicolas Roos said there was no serious dispute that $10 billion worth of customer money disappeared from FTX, and said Bankman-Fried schemed and lied to get money, which he spent, CNBC reported. Mark Cohen, who served as Bankman-Fried's defense attorney, said prosecutors were trying to paint Bankman-Fried as a villain, and that FTX's collapse was not his fault. Bankman-Fried's sentencing is set for March 28, 2024, and will be decided by the trial court judge. If Kaplan decides to give 110 years, there would be virtually nothing SBF could do on appeal, Epner said. It would be a lost cause. On the other hand, Epner said Bankman-Fried could face the same fate as Theranos founder Elizabeth Holmes, who received a sentence of just over 11 years out of a maximum 80 years. In an opinion piece for the Daily Beast, Epner argued Holmes' sentence was overly lenient.